Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm going to cook a calzone for the first time in the Ooni Fyra 12. I've made a round shape out of my pizza dough, and the recipe for that is here. 500 grams of flour, 300 grams of water, 15 grams of salt and 2 grams of yeast. I'm adding some buffalo mozzarella, pepperoni and some basil, and I'm keeping it light. What I learned from my Coda 16 and Coda 12 calzone cooks. Video linked here. I need to keep the calzone low, seal it and put a hole in the top for the steam to release. I'm currently heating up the Fyra to a temperature of 440 degrees Celsius, and I expect this to cook in about 15 minutes. Let's do it. Autumn is here. Look at it. It's Guy Fawkes night. Well, nearly night. And let's get cooking. Okay, here we are with my oven on, and it's a good temperature in the center of the stone. Right, let's try this and see how it goes. Maybe I will put the door on just for a little bit. Good. It's cooking better, isn't that? Let's check. It's browning up. I have to say this is one of the hardest calzone cooks I've ever done. The right balance of heat, flame, position. I would say it's definitely the hardest out of all the ovens so far. But it is doable. Just need to have time to make sure it cooks properly without burning. Make sure it's got the time to cook properly inside. They all take about the same time, about 12 to 15 minutes. But you just cannot take your focus away from it, because even though it's on low flame and everything in there, it's still a high heat oven, and I have heated it up to 450 degrees Celsius before the cook, so the stone was hot. I just needed to get a bit brown, so I want some flames. Let's get some flames. Looking good. Nice bit of cheese in there. Let's try that bit. Really nice. It's really tasty with pepperoni inside, and the basil leaves give it a nice little pizza flavour. I think the regulation of the oven has made this definitely the more challenging cook. It's because I had to manage the flame. So far I've cooked in the Volt, the Coda 12 and this oven, and because it's not instant heat that I have to regulate the heat myself, it's definitely been the most challenging one so far. Make sure that you get the oven to a very high temperature, 440 degrees Celsius on the centre of the stone. The flame goes right down. You can either cook it with the door on or door off, and then when you've done that, get the flames back on and you're good to go. Highly recommend dipping it in a tomato sauce, as you do. Calzone in the Fyra 12. It's very tasty. I really enjoyed making it, and it was a challenge because I wasn't sure what I needed to do, but when I worked out that it'll cook in the oven first with no flames and just the heat, and then when you just add some flames and get the outer dough cooked with a bit of flame, and I put a little hole in the top to let the steam out so I didn't get a big balloon like I did in the Coda 12. Or was it the Coda 16? I can't remember. I think it was the Coda, I can't remember, I've lost track. Bite that bit. Thanks for watching, take care, subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.